Hello, Nomad Sculpt, Think Simple, second video. It's about extracting from low poly objects the mask of the color. Okay, I demonstrate it. Okay, this is a low poly face, and here in the scene, sorry, I turn on the outline. What is everything here? Yes, this meshes we don't need. We need only the face or the head. Outline is on. And when you want to keep the original mesh, make a duplicate of the mesh. Duplicate it and hide the other one. And now we add a layer. And we use the paintbrush. And the paintbrush you can clone and make a second one test. And in this brush we can choose the settings. This is the pressure settings. The paint is okay, stroke painting. And we use this alpha and use a flat fall off, stroke spacing, nothing. And yes, we can activate front facing vertex only. And use a very or a high intensity for this. And now you can save the settings. Make a yes, and one thing is important, to allow dynamic topology. And then in the topology settings, go to the dynamic topology. Use a very high detail rate and enable it. You can see here on the left side, dyno topology is active. And now we have a paint tool on a layer. And you can choose, the color is not necessary. Okay. And now you can paint here the parts you want to paint. You can also paint such things. Okay. And when you're fine with your paintings or your things you need, go to the layer, press on the 3 dots, and shell thickness, and choose layer, not shell, layer, and extract the layer. And here, this is the active mesh now, and this is our copy. The copy, I hide the mesh and I go to the layer menu, and when you decrease the layer, the dynamic topology is always there. But when you have a copy, then the mesh is like this. And now we can go to this mesh and give it a white color, paint all. And now we can go in the solo view and adjust the mesh like you want. You can trim it hole filling off and use the lasso or the symmetry. You can adjust it a little bit. And one important thing is you can now use yes, you can give it a thickness. There are many things possible. You can use a cell mask and extract it. And use voxel remeshing or and now when you get a clear mesh, you can go to the decimation function and decimate your mesh down like you want. Sometimes very useful to get some parts. Oh, you can separate the objects, is clear. The lips are crazy. Paint all. And when I hide them, the wire, it looks like this. Yes, you can also trim this and make it smoother and so on and so on. But I try to keep the mesh poly count as low as possible, and in this case, let's have a look. Trim, hole filling on. I think now it looks a little bit nicer. Okay. That's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.